3, 2, 1.
What was the name of the company that Kip and Henry worked for on the hit television show Bosom Buddies? The answer is C. Livingston Gentry and Miskin Advertising Agency. What sprouts up on stalks from the bed of moss gametophytes? The answer is A. Sporophytes. What is the name of the long-sleeve sweater that buttons in front? The answer is C. A cardigan. What actress starred opposite Val Kilmer in the 1999 romantic drama At First Sight? The answer is B. Mira Sorvino. What is the official state flower and symbol of the U.S. state of Kansas? The answer is D. Sunflower. A measure of how close a series of measurements are to one another is what? The answer is A. Precision. What is the longest novel in the world? The answer is A. War and Peace. What is the ability of an atom to emit or give off charged particles and energy from the nucleus? The answer is B. Radioactivity. I'm a famous painter, but I don't touch the paintbrush. Who am I? The answer is D. Artificial intelligence. Because heating results in a greater fraction of molecules having the necessary kinetic energy to escape the surface of the liquid, what occurs more quickly when liquid is heated? The answer is C. Evaporation. What vegetable does coleslaw primarily consist of? The answer is C. Spinach. I'm a mother to many gods and the goddess of marriage. Who am I? The answer is C. Demeter. What type of hat features a wide brim and is often made of straw? The answer is D. Straw hat. What is the largest temple in Angkor Wat complex? The answer is A. Bayon Temple. What was actress Demi Moore, born Demetria Jean Gines, named after? The answer is D. A beauty product. Which country is associated with the drink Brennivin? The answer is C. Iceland. Who holds the record for longest time spent inside a car? The answer is B. Steve Fambro. Which software was developed by Richard Stallman and the Free Software Foundation? The answer is D. GNU. What is the piece of furniture with many small compartments, usually for shoes? The answer is B. Shoe rack. What is massive, gray and can make a king bow his head? The answer is A. Mountain peak. In what century did Greek philosopher Plato live? The answer is D. 5th–4th century BC. What is composed of very long strands of glucose monomers, is largely indigestible and comprises the cell walls of plants? The answer is D. Cellulose. In the episode of MacGyver titled Mountain of Youth, MacGyver and Jack discovered people in a mountain valley that lived to what record age? The answer is B. 150. What King of England, depicted in a self-titled Shakespearean play, won a decisive victory at the Battle of Agincourt during the 100 Years' War? The answer is D. Henry V. Who invented the Internet? The answer is B. Tim Berners-Lee. When the mercury in a thermometer goes up, what does it indicate? The answer is D. All of these. Which psychologist is known for his research on learning through observation? The answer is B. Albert Bandura. Which sci-fi show features the phrase, "I'm afraid I can't do that, Dave"? The answer is B. Star Trek. Which band's debut album is considered one of the greatest in rock history? SGT, Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band? The answer is C. Beatles. What amipin fruit is used for the preparation of the spicy Thai salad som tam? The answer is D. Papaya. I have a dream, but I can't sleep. Who am I? The answer is A. Martin Luther King Jr. What is the shortest river in the world? The answer is C. Douro. What is the largest cargo ship ever built, with a capacity of 21,420 foot equivalent units TEU? The answer is D. MSC Oscar. Which statement is true for all objects? The answer is D. All objects have mass. Which capital city is located on the banks of the Thames River? The answer is A. London. About how full is the outer energy level in metalloids? The answer is A. Half full. What does the term gigahertz represent in electronics? The answer is A. Gigahertz. The water cycle involves movement of water between air and what? The answer is B. Land. What year did MacGyver first air on the ABC network? The answer is D. 1985. Who won the women's singles title at Wimbledon in 2019? The answer is A. Serena Williams. Which kingdom includes animals, plants, and fungi? The answer is C. Fungi. Who was the first elected female head of government in Europe? The answer is A. Angela Merkel. Each root is made of dermal, ground, and what type of tissue? The answer is C. Vascular. What is the term for an economic system where private individuals own the productive assets in companies and decide what to produce, how much to produce, and at what price to sell? The answer is B. Command economy. What is always in trouble but never gets arrested? The answer is A. Scissors. Whatsoever the derby, how elf them with them for the hair of rock. The answer is C. A sock. What is the brass instrument that resembles a large, conical tube called? The answer is D. Tuba. What is the top part of water able to receive enough sunlight for photosynthesis called? The answer is C. Photic zone. Lee Majors' character Colt Seavers was the unknown stuntman on the show The Fall Guy. What other line of work was he in? The answer is D. Bounty hunter. In which episode of The Martin Show does Martin's mom, Mama Payne, make her first appearance?